दोस्तों, अगर आप घर बैठे जेन्युइन वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब की तलाश में हैं, तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत खास है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक शानदार जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में पूरी जानकारी दूंगा, तो वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें और अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello guys, good afternoon, and in this project we are going to learn about the GRM mapping. And in this GRM mapping you need to clear the extensions of the every file, like in the extension it only contains 5 queries. The first one is quality, and the second one is MRP, third one is HSN, fourth one is manufacturing date, and the fifth one is GST. You need to clear these extensions on these files. Files is nothing but this GRN project, the files are nothing but invoices, means a grocery related invoices, the purchases invoices. You need to clear the extensions in that. In sometimes there is a quantity mismatches, HSN mismatches, and also the MRP mismatches. You need to clear those. And in this session I'm going to explain all over the project. And yes, now we are going to start the guidelines of the GRM mapping project. The step 1, after all the formalities like vendor's signature and all, we are going to allocate one ID to you, one email ID and the password. You have to log in with the new Chrome profiles like this. Okay, here you need to create a new Chrome profile for your email ID, and after that you need to search in the tab Titan Mail Logins. Titan Mail Logins. In this Titan Mail Logins you have to give only the ID what we are going to provide, means you are not going to log in with your own email IDs. Only company provided email IDs are going to be work on this Titan Mail Logins. Okay, the email and the password. And here when you are going to open this Titan sign in, it shows like this email address. You need to give the email and after the password. After that then the dashboard is open like this. Okay, this is the Titan mail ID at that to that particular ID what you are going to allocate. And after that you need to open a new tab for search the step 0. Okay, after opening a new tab then you need to search on the step 0, and please open that step 0. In that step 0 also you need to give the mail and the just give mail. And if you are going to click on this get OTP here, then the OTP is located in this place, and just copy paste that OTP, give it here and click on the sign in. After the signing, the step 0 is open like this. Here GRN mapping. In this GRN mapping you need to identify and just click on the besides of the button pull. When you are going to click on this pull, it requests for the files invoices. Okay, and after that you have to continue with the work, like see you need to click on this pull, and after that it asking the request like just accept or reject the file. When you are going to click on this accept, then the file is showing like this. Now I am going to explain in those 5 cases I am going to explain 3 cases. Okay, I will show you how to solve those escalations and all. And this is my first file. This is my first file. This is the image. See, this is my image. I'm already told you invoices. Invoices has been nothing but a grocery related invoices, bills. We already know. In this image it contains HSN codes, manufacturing dates, quantities and MRPs, price, values, taxes, GST amounts and discounts. All are mentioned in this image. So you have to check the image first. In the image it contains 4 products. Description of goods means these are products. You need to identify the products, and after that you have to open the map sheet. mapping sheet. Like I'm going to click on the accept, then the file is pulled. In such some cases, like mapping is not shown and output data sheet is not visible. In that case, you need to just here go to the right side in the operation, just select the option update mapping and click on this cloud symbol, then the mapping sheet is updated. Again, in some such cases like output data sheet is also not visible, then again you have to click on the update mapping and here you need to click on the execute, then the sheet will be visible. Okay, in the image it contains 4 products and in this mapping also it contains 4, output data is also 4. Okay, in some such cases like see, in output data it contains 5 products. In that time you have to work with the mapping sheet. Other than that, you always work on the output data sheet only. And see, if you are going to adjust these lines, then it is easier to find out to make changes. Okay, just go to the escalation column in this output data sheet. By scrolling this bar, you have to go to the escalation nodes. See, here is the escalation nodes. In this escalation nodes, there are different escalations like quantity related, MRP related, GST related, manufacturing date related, like this. You have to clear those escalation. See, in this escalation column there is only one row escalation, that is 4th row. So you have to clear this escalation. Let's find out what is it. See, invalid details comment. Details comment means this is the details row. This error is tell about this details column. Okay, and our variant ID can only be blank if details escalate product not in GRN. It means this is the error. In this details column you have to give this option like product not in GRN. For that you have to just double click on this details and give product not in GRN. Double click product not in GRN. These two are same, right? Product not in GRN. And there is no escalations in these 3 rows. In this case you need to give straight. Double click straight. Okay. Now you have to publish the file directly. You don't need to verify the file. I will tell you which case you are going to verify the sheet. After clear all your escalations, then you need to verify the sheet before giving the details. After giving the details, if you are going to verify the sheet, then the file is going to be escalated by the client and the ID will be blocked. Okay, I think hope you understand. So now you are going to publish the file. Just click on the publish and here I am going to click on the execute button. Now my file is going to be requested. See, successfully published. Okay, I am done with my first file. Again I am going to click on this go home. See, this is the GRN mapping. Here is the pull button. You need to click on this and just accept the request. Now I am going to redirect the second file. Okay, this is my second file. Now again you have to observe the image. See, in such cases images are like this. Okay, you have to click on the top of the image. See, this is the first box, right? I mean top box. You need to just click on that and just rotate the image like this, then it will be correctly placed. Okay, now see, in this image you have to find how many images you get. I think my cursor is visible to you. To the left side there is small icons. Just click on the first icon and see, in this file it contains 2 images. My first image is this and my second image is this. Okay, see, total 8 products, and here mapping sheet it also contains 8 products, and in this output data it also contains 8 products. Okay, just go to the escalation nodes. See, these are all the escalations. These are all the escalations. So we can solve one by one. Okay, I will tell you, I will explain clear. The first exclamation is missing MRP or too low. Missing MRP, so we need to work with the MRP, and also likely PO mapping issue. Likely PO mapping issue means when this exclamation is shown in your any file, then you need to check with the quantity. Okay, you need to check with the quantity, and after that just move to the details. I'm already told you, after clear your all exclamation before publishing the file, you need to give the details. After that, don't put any details there. Okay, here is the MRP issue and the quantity issue. And see, same quantity issue, there is no MRP issue, only quantity issue. And here also quantity issue, here then here MRP issue and the quantity issue, here also quantity issue only, and here MRP and the quantity issue. Okay, now we are going to check with the MRP first. In the mapping data, it also contains 8 and output data, it also contains 8 products. In this case, just check with the MRP first. This is the MRP column. In the images it mentioned any rate. Rate does not related to the MRP. You need to be careful with this step. Rate is not goes under the MRP. MRP is mentioned like the MRP, or other than that in the images. MRP sometimes also mentioned in the products, also mentioned in the product besides of the product names. See, there is no MRP in this columns. I think yes, there is no MRP. So you have to check with the MRP first. See, MRP is 0, and the thing is, in this particular file some MRPs are presented in the besides of the product names. We will find. See here, this is a particular code about the product name, so you have to be find out. There is no MRP besides of this. If in your files it contains any slash and with the slash, when the product is and with the slash, you have to be careful, because besides of this it presents a MRP. I will show you. So there is no MRP, there is no MRP besides of the slash. You need to observe there is no MRP here. It presents MRP in the fourth. Yes, it's already given. There is no MRPs, and just go with the second image. Check there. Besides of the slash, there is no MRP is presented, so just ignore. So MRP is correct. We don't need to change any MRP. And about the PO mapping issue, I'm already told you PO mapping issue means quantity issue. In this case, see, quantity is 21 and here 21. Here is 5000. See here. Sorry, this is not. Yes, this is not 21. Yes, this is a 5. This is not a 5000. And the thing is, when you are going to give, replace any purchase quantities, there is no integers are present. This is absolutely wrong. There is no integers are going to be present in the purchase quantity column. Okay, so 21, here is the 5 and the 32. You need to change the quantity first and check with the quantity first after change it. See, you have to multiply the quantity with this 16, and you have to multiply this 5 with the 40. You have to multiply this 32 with the 4, and in this case 2 with the 40, like this. I'm going to open my calculator. I show you. First one is 21, 16, 336. Okay, and again, see here, 40 into 5, 200. Yes, it's right. And again 32 into 4, 128, and for the fourth one 2 into 40, 2 into 40, 80. Yes, this is also right. And for the fifth one 15 into 4, 15 into 4 means 60. Sixth one 12 into 4, 12 into 4 means 48. Let's go with the second image. Here. 7 into 4, 7 into 4, 28. Also here 1 into 20, already know 20. So I am just change the purchase quantities regarding these escalations. Okay, and in some such cases just observe that here MRP is too low. MRP, there is no MRP in the first image regarding this product. See, there is no MRP is provided after the slash. Okay, so 0. And new HSN means for every product there are different HSN codes. I will show you what is HSN codes. Okay, you need to change the HSN codes also. See here, the first one is description of goods, means the product, and the second one is HSN. Second one is the HSN. HSN means this 1006390. See, same. And about the second product is also same, third product is also same. You have to recheck with the HSN codes whether it is right or wrong. And the fourth one is wrong. I am going to replace 04 and 020. Okay, and the fifth one is, yes, this is also right, and the sixth one, this is also right. And go to the second image. Yes, this is also right, and this eighth one is also right. Now I am just done with my all escalations. Now you have to verify the file. Verify the file. Just select the operations verify output should. Just click on the execute. Now your changes is verifying. See, successfully updated. Again we have to check if there is any escalations are present. See, yes, this is also clear, this is also clear, this row is also clear, this row is also clear. And this MRP, regarding the MRP there are some escalations are left, right? And see, for the fifth one there is also quantity issue. You have to check with the fifth one. Quantity 15 into 4, 15 into 4, 60. Here I just missed the count, 60. And here MRP is this is also wrong, 12 into 4. Just missed those. 12 into 4, 48 here. Okay, now I am again going to verify the sheet. Select verify output sheet and click on execute. Now again find if there is any escalations or yes, there is no escalations, right? There is no escalation. See, first one is MRP. This is also for the MRP. This is for the details column. This error is about the details column. This error is also details column, MRP. This is also details column, and MRP for the details column. See, just observe the MRP here. Except this fourth one, all lines having the MRP issues. So there is no MRP present in the image. In this case, there is no MRP shown in the image, you have to check with the products. In the products placement, if there is any MRPs are present, then you need to replace here. And see, for the fourth one, here is the 85. Other than that, there is no MRP is present for the other products. So that's why I just give, and other than that, you have to put zeros. Okay, now I am directly, there is no errors, I think. After completing this details column, see, product not in GRN, here you need to give straight product not in GRN because it's already mentioned in the explanation, so that's why I'm giving product not in GRN. Okay, there is nothing, so that's why I'm giving straight here product not in GRN, here also product not in the GRN, product not in GRN, not in GR. Now I'm going to publish the output sheet. After giving the details columns, you don't need to verify, then the file is going to be escalated. So that's why after giving the details, you need to directly publish the file. See, I'm going to publish the file. Whether it is successfully submitted, then it's fine. See, successfully published. My file is going to be successfully published. Again, just click on the home, find if there is any GRN_MRP. This is the thing you need to click on and accept. And this is my third file. See, in this image there are 15 products and it contains 16. Let's find out if any other images are present. Yes, here 16. Yes, 16 equal, and in this image output datasheet also it contains 16. Now just check with the escalations. Invalid GST rate. Invalid GST rate. See, in this case, in your files, if any GST related files are coming, you need to contact with the project lead. Like, you need to attend the meeting and just ask the GST files, because GST files are not solved by you. You are unable to solve. So in this case, you need to ask the team lead, and after clearing these GSTs, then you have to clear the MRPs and the high landing price variance. Okay, this is the process. I think hope you all got it. About the manufacturing date, in this output data sheet, any manufacturing date is present. See, manufacturing date, and just check with the image also if any manufacturing dates are present in the images. And in the output data sheet, you need to mention the manufacturing dates. You need to give the manufacturing dates. See, here there is no manufacturing date, I think. So there is no manufacturing column. Sometimes the manufacturing is also mentioned besides of the product names also. You have to be careful with this case. Hope you all understand. I have already explained the 3 queries regarding the details column, quantity column, quantity issue, details column issue, MRP issue, right? Also manufacturing. There is no manufacturing, so that's why I just skip it. About the GSTs, about this query, you need to ask the team lead. So I think hope you all got it, this file. Now I am going to explain the instruction about this project. You need to follow those. Our first main instruction is timings. You need to maintain the perfect timings. Our in-house team members are only available up to 9 to 7. In this availability time, you need to ask your queries. How to ask the queries? You need to attend the daily session meetings. We daily conduct the meetings about the queries and all. So you need to attend. Every day you need to attend the meetings. After the 7 p.m. the team is not available. In that case, you need to be very careful, because if any escalations are rising from your files, then it will be affected on the product. And also there is a chances if your ID going to be blocked. Be careful with this. And this GRN training will be provided up to 1 week. After 1 week, you have to do by yourselves. 1 week, up to 1 week, we clear all your files. We will teach you how to solve those escalations. If any different escalations are present, we will tell you how to solve those. Within 1 week you have a great knowledge about this. Then you don't need to ask anyone like this what is the issue and all. You can do by yourselves. And the thing is, after completing your files, you have to note the count. Like, see, this is my file, right? See, this is my file, right? In this file, how many lines I get? 68. This is also 68. For the mapping sheet, you need to mark your 68 count at a particular notepad or any WhatsApp. Because every day before 7 p.m. you have to update your counts. We maintain a tracker regarding your GRN mapping count. So this is the thing. And the thing is, after 1 week training you have to do 1000 lines per day. This is the target. If you are going to do 2000 lines, then I think the payment will be better. You can expect more. If you are doing 2000 less, then it's very well. Okay, it's based on your performance. So if you are having any queries, just join in the meeting and ask the team lead. And this project will be 1 year long-term project. This project is a long-term project. Up to 1 year this project is going on. And about the leaves, personal leaves or sick leaves, you have to give the prior information. Before 2 days or 1 day, you have to give the prior information. Okay, through call or messages or mail, we are going to give our mail ID also. Okay, you have to inform prior information. You have to inform the prior information regarding the sick leaves and all. Everyday target is 2000 lines. You have to reach your daily targets. In case you are not able to work on 2 days, then the ID is going to be blocked and the thing is be removed from the project. Why? Because when the ID is showing no logins or no files are completed on that ID, the client will be directly blocked by the client. The ID will be directly blocked by the client. So please be remember this thing. And about the GST files, it will be sought out from the in-house team members. And the file timings, for every file there is a minimum timing, like you have to complete your files within 10 minutes. If it's a large file, then it's fine, you have to complete within 15 minutes. That's the time limit for every file. For the escalation, if you are having any query about that file, please don't publish the file. Please don't publish that file. In the training period, without QC permission, without team lead permission, you don't have to submit any file. If any escalations are raised, then the ID is going to be blocked. It affects on the accuracy and the production. Okay, you have to attend the daily meeting sessions also. I hope you all got it. These are the rules you have to follow. And you have any leaves, just give the prior information, 1 week training period, and after that you have to maintain your targets and all within 1 week. I think up to 2 to 3 days is fine. You have a better grip on this GRN mapping project. Okay, be active with the stable internet and please follow the timings. Which are in-house members are be available. If you're having any worries, just ask. Okay, thank you. Hope you all got this session. Thank you everyone.